But it wouldn't have done us any good because that's what they've done. They've cut off the. We are going to give this.
From what now is a youth hostel.
What?
A youth hostel.
Awesome.
Okay.
Sitting or something like that.
I like to see it from the window.
We're going up this mountain road because it's a mountain road from Subic to. You want to have Ben sit over here?
No, oh, this is that. Well, I was actually.
Hey, you can stop your film.
Excuse me.
From D, looking at his reflection. Imagine what that's like. I
He
know
said naked
you're gonna.
ladies.
Scavenged.
No.
No, it's gift wrap, can't you tell?
Yeah, it's obviously wasn't done by Barb. Ted would wrap something like that.
Wow! Where in the hell did you go? At that shop?
Well, that's,
He's so damn.
Well- Composition.
oh,
Two longs, a short, and a long.
that's right.
But I'm not really crazy about the onions in the meat, but I'll eat onions on the meat.
That makes sense. Anybody down here order dessert? It's the chef's choice. It's the chef's choice.
Running out of bell.
Mr. Perry, I understand about
exotic
that.
As I've been walking through something.
That was, I couldn't believe how the front.
At the end, you know.
So the
always
sad
like
thing
that.
was he and